We're talking crawl space encapsulation, how you do it, what the benefits are, and we're doing that with a live model, and we're starting right now. Hey, so here we are in the Morse Design Center, and HydroHero has a display of one of our mock-up crawl space encapsulations. So I'm going to walk you guys through a couple things that we have here. And if you're in the Maryland Eastern Shore or Delaware and you're down by the Delaware beaches, we encourage you to stop by Saturday where we're having a grand opening for the Morse Home Improvement Design Center, and we got a couple other vendors here too. But I'm going to walk you guys through a couple different things that we got going on. So here is a mock-up of one of our crawl space encapsulations. You guys can actually come and see, put your hands on the different materials that we use. Right, this is a 36 mil vapor barrier. This is one of our HydroSeal 100 mils, and this is a 280 mil HydroSeal vapor barrier. So those are two of the things. We can explain to you drainage, the different types of drainage that can be used and what all the benefits are. We'll talk a lot about this 8-slot corrugated pipe and why that is really the best that there is out there. We got our sub pumps, different basins. This one is for all of our basement waterproofing jobs that we use. Big clear lid there so you can see through it and all that stuff. We have our dual stainless steel pump combos in here. So if one of your primary pump goes out, the secondary pump will turn around and kick on. And if one of them gets overwhelmed, which would be really hard to do because these are serious 3/4 horsepower pump there. If it did, then turn around and both of them would kick on and make sure that your basement stays dry. We also have a really compact crawl space sub pump basin, so anytime that we can't get into a door because it's so low, this thing will actually break this off and take these pins out right here, and it'll actually slide into a 6x8 or 16x8 foundation vent. So that's just another really cool thing that we got going on. So there's our primary pump. We'll talk about the NDS Easy Flow pros and cons about that as well. You can actually see one of the April Air dehumidifiers that we use all the time. We got that there with our Clearview condensate pump. We'll talk about the vapor barrier, how it's installed, why it's installed that way. We got a mock-up of our French drain here. Really rough, but we'll show you the benefits of why it should be done this particular way. Other different things that we use in the typical crawl space encapsulation. If you're in a flood area, we'll talk about the flood flap versus the smart vent, why we chose that and not the smart vent. Much better product in our opinion. Talk about crawl space doors, different types of vent covers to aesthetically make everything look a lot better. Some that are actually already have the insulation in them for easier installation. If you're a do-it-yourselfer living in the Delaware area, definitely you should come by here. If you're anywhere across the nation, HydroHero is going to have its own online store here really soon. We're just putting the final pieces in place. So everybody that's a do-it-yourselfer can turn around and watch our YouTube videos and learn how to encapsulate a crawl space yourself and do it right, and probably do it 90% better than most of the companies out here who say that they're crawl space encapsulation experts. And you guys, if you haven't seen our videos up on YouTube or on Facebook, like our Facebook page, go on YouTube. YouTube's going to have even more content on there that's specific to do-it-yourselfers. So go over there and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Drop comments below on this video or any of those videos. Tell us things that you'd like to hear, like to know, what we can do to make you guys more educated and show you guys how to produce quality work like this. Also, if you're a contractor, we'll have special contracting prices on all of our materials and everything. So we're really looking forward to this. Anyways, HydroHero, we fight water damage from every angle. Thank you so much for watching this. You guys have a wonderful day and stay tuned for more.